This image shows seven colors of our aura. Every human being have aura, which is having seven colors, and each color represents each chakra. So there are seven chakras. So the last chakra is a crown chakra, which when gets activated, you can communicate with any god, because that seven chakra is the way to open God's door. And as I have done this meditation, this is achieved through a meditation actually. You can see a woman is sitting in meditation pose. So you can reach to seventh layer only when you do a meditation practice. And my aura color is purple, and that is the last color of aura, or I will say not purple. I have reached beyond purple color, and I can communicate with any god because I have reached to spiritual plane, which is the highest plane of all seven planes. I will explain all these seven planes in detail, and how these seven planes are related to our aura. I will explain you. So let's see this image. This image shows our seven chakras relation with our aura body level. So you can see a person is sitting in meditation and his body is shown with these seven chakras. So the base chakra is a root chakra, and there are three bodies. Body is divided into three parts. First is a physical body, then astral body, and spiritual body. So root chakra, belly chakra or sacral chakra, and solar plexus chakra. So these are part of physical body, and they are divided as like root chakra is a etheric body. So it's a physical plane. So physical body means the chakras are part of physical plane, and you are onto a physical plane, and these represents the emotional and mental body connection. And then there are one chakra, that is heart chakra, which is related to astral body. And as my experience is that my heart chakra was disturbed, and I was little bit part of a astral plane, where you interact with lower energy levels, or I will say negative energy levels. So these negative energy levels affect your mental health very much, and I was into that. So I did a meditation and I have achieved to align my heart chakra, and then I reached to a spiritual body. Spiritual body has three chakras like throat chakra, third eye chakra, and crown chakra. And each chakra is like throat chakra is related to etheric template, or third eye chakra is related to celestial body. It is a second spiritual level. And whenever you reach to third eye chakra, you reach to Lord Shiva, because the Lord of third eye chakra is Lord Shiva. And apart from that, there is a seventh, that is a etheric body, or we call it as a crown chakra. And crown chakra has a purple color, and it is the door to reach each and every god. If this door will get open, you will reach to wonder world, or we will call it as a spiritual plane or highest consciousness, where you can communicate with each and every god like angels, archangels, Jesus, then Lord Shiva, Lord Krishna, and each and every god you can communicate. So this diagram is showing us like man is with seven chakras and surrounded with seven layers of our aura. So actually this diagram shows that same as I explained in last image. So what I want to tell you that aura has connection with our physical and mental body. Like if you balance your physical body, then only you can balance your mental body. So first you have to work on your physical body, like you have to first work on your base chakras, like whatever three chakras I mentioned, like root chakra, sacral chakra and solar plexus chakra. So if your these three chakras are aligned, then it is very easy to reach to spiritual body or spiritual plane. So, and the root or base or heart is our heart chakra. Your heart chakra should be aligned, otherwise you will face difficulties or you will be into a astral plane where negative energies will trouble you a lot, and it's very difficult to come out of that astral plane. So it's must to align your heart chakra. So there are various mantras available, or mantras we use to activate each chakra. I will create a separate video for each chakra mantras, like how to chant and how to do this meditation and what meditation practice I followed. So spiritual plane is like a wonder world, and it's my experience that spiritual plane will help you to reach angels as well. And first angels only help you to open that door. And it's my experience that I got my personal spirit guide, and Lord Shiva is the only one who helped me to reach to spiritual plane, because I considered Lord Shiva as my guru. And see, these aura colors you can see during meditation as well. Whenever your chakra gets activated and you sit in meditation, you will see these colors in with your closed eyes, because your aura will get filled with that color. So whenever I sit for meditation, I see a white color around me, and that is a seventh layer. See, this diagram is showing us that what is a gross world and what is a god world, and what is subtle world and mental world. So gross world is what we call as etheric plane, where we survive, and then our body is shown with these seventh layers. And if you want to reach to god, you have to activate all these seven chakras and all these seven planes. So what I will suggest is follow continuous meditation practice, so you will come out of subtle world, because subtle world has a lots of sufferings. And also mental world also has a suffering, but mental world is the one which will help you to reach to god, because mental world purify your aura, and your thought process changed because of the mental world. And I will say the upper three layers or upper three planes are the most important, and that will help you to reach to god. See, this image is showing that seventh plane is a god plane, and if you will reach to seventh plane, you will feel like blissfulness, and you will get lots of guidance from each and every god, and each and every god will try to help you in achieving enlightenment and maintaining these seven layers, or maintaining these seven planes. And I am happy that I am out of this gross world, because I will say that I came out of sufferings, and now I am not part of a gross world, as now I am part of a spiritual world. And my experience that spiritual world is much better than gross world, subtle world or mental world. And I will say mind is the one which is powerful thing to reach to God than our physical body. Okay, but physical body is required to be healthy, then only you will reach to a spiritual world. See, this diagram is showing us that these 7 chakras and how this meditation progress and how we reach to God. So this carefully see these images and read this text, because these images are explaining us about each and every plane. And I will say, never stuck into a lower mental body or astral plane, because I have suffered a lot into astral plane, and this astral plane you suffer because of some traumas or some incident which happened to your life. So if you want to come out of any suffering, then focus on your astral plane or focus on your heart chakra. See, I have my aura diagrams or aura images. I will share you that aura images as well, which clearly shows that after meditation my heart chakra got aligned, and how this helped me, this meditation helped me to align that chakra. So I will share that diagram soon.